First, I cook a thin omelette. Then, I spread butter on bread and layer salad, omelette, ham, tomato, cheese, and sriracha mayo. Next, I use Halloween cutters. I make a black bat with Vegemite. And draw faces on the ghost and jack-o'-lantern with a chocolate pen. Let's pack everything into the bento box. Finally, I pack everything neatly into the bento box. Spooky and cute, perfect for lunch. I am making Halloween veggie fritters. Grate some zucchini, sprinkle with salt, and let it sit for 5 minutes. Add grated carrot and sweet potato. Then squeeze out the water. Crack in 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of flour, and a little Parmesan cheese if you like. Season with salt and pepper. Then mix everything together in a bowl. First, add a little mozzarella cheese into the mold. The cheese helps hold the shape and makes it easier to release. Now spoon in the veggie fritter mixture and press gently. Bake until golden and crispy. Cook salted salmon in the air fryer. Look how perfectly the Halloween shapes came out, spooky and delicious. Fill the gap with barbecue sauce or tomato sauce. Let's pack everything into the bento box. Next, cut cabana sausages in half. Slice puff pastry into thin strips and wrap them around the sausages, just like mummy bandages. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. I am making onigiri using a triangle mold. It tastes even better if you add your favorite filling inside. This time, I'm using bonito flakes mixed with soy sauce. For the mummy sausage, I cut out eyes from cheese and noi, dip the back in tomato sauce, and stick them onto the sausage. Let's pack everything into the bento box. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bento ideas. See you again next time. Happy cooking!